Look how much it's raining. Yeah, it's nighttime now, 11 o'clock. You can't see it, it's nighttime, but you can see here at the window it's raining a lot. And yeah, I might go out in the rain now, so thumbs up for that. And also, gonna make a video tomorrow. So now I put it late. Sorry about the video late. I wasn't supposed to upload it late, but I did it. So sorry guys. And yeah, I just want to tell you I'm gonna upload tomorrow. I didn't have any video today because I was outside and wasn't really at home so much, so I couldn't upload anything. So sorry for that. But if you're new, subscribe. And thank you for all the description that you have made, the past takeaways. So please subscribe if you're new. Sorry if you can't hear me. It's raining coming into the house. My home, I was in my balcony. It's raining, so yeah, let's go out in the rain now. So yeah, now for that. Let's just start this for the goal. I don't know if it's a goal or not. Look at that cool. I swear that was a nice goal. I think that's offside. Whoa. Now it's a match Real Madrid and Sociedad, but I think that's not a goal. I don't know. That wasn't the goal he's going to look, so sorry. Yeah. He's going to look at the VAR. I don't know. No. Well, it wasn't a goal, it was offside, so yeah, that's bad for Real Sociedad. And Real Madrid 1-0, good for them. If they win now this match, they are up in the top of the league again. Yeah, and Barcelona will be second, so Real Sociedad better score and better win or like draw, so that's better. Okay guys, I'm going down. You should never go outside by yourself, but I'm doing it. I just told my dad. Look how much it's raining. This is how much it's raining. I would need a key so I can go in back. But yeah, I'm going out in the rain. Really cool. It's much rain. That's bad. I think I'm going in now, but just going to go for a walk a bit. Go back. Okay, so much raining. I don't want to be wet so much, so I'm getting back. Yeah, I'm getting in. My phone is really wet, and yeah, that's bad. So I'm going in now. Okay. Wait. Before I go in, I just want to tell you guys I'm gonna end this video off here in the rain, and hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Sorry. Thank you for subscribing this recent. You're showing me so much love recent videos, so subscribe and I'll see you in the next one for video tomorrow. Bye bye. Raining. No.